Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your outbound lead lists in ZoomInfo for targeting. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your ZoomInfo account and log in. Navigate to the outbound lead lists section on the dashboard. Select the lead list you wish to verify. Click on the View Details option to examine the list closely. Check the completeness of each lead's information. Ensure that all essential fields like email address, job title, and phone number are filled out. Identify any missing or outdated information. For leads with incomplete details, use the Enrich feature. This allows you to automatically update the information from ZoomInfo's database. Review any suggested updates for accuracy. If a lead is marked as invalid, consider removing it from the list. Utilize the export feature to download the verified list. Choose your preferred file format, such as CSV or Excel. Once downloaded, open the file to double-check the information. Identify any additional leads that could enhance your target list. Repeat the verification process for these new leads as necessary. After finalizing your list, make sure to save any changes. Transfer the verified lead list to your marketing or sales platform for use. This ensures your outreach is directed toward high-quality, validated leads. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.